Hi, third graders. This is Miss Capuano. I'm here today to show you how to write an opinion piece. We started last week, and we were seeing some struggles between students understanding what reasons are and what examples are. So I'm going to kind of show you my writing for this week and kind of listen to me work through it, okay? So the first thing we want to do, I also put the question here. So the question for this week is, what is your favorite season? So it's either fall, winter, spring, or summer. And you have to provide two reasons and two examples why you picked that season, okay? So I'm going to start off in thinking about, I know that an opinion is something I believe and it's something that I feel. So right off the bat, when I thought of this question, I know that my opinion is that I love the fall. So I might start off by saying my favorite season is the fall. Now, I don't just want to stop there. I kind of want to explain and answer the question here, and explain why fall is my favorite season. So I'm going to say my favorite season is fall because I love doing fall activities. And I like doing the activities outside because the fall has like really warm weather and good weather. So it's that the activities are outside, and I like doing them with my family and my dog because he really likes going outside too. So that's my answer, right? So that's one sentence. It's my answer. I use the word because, and my opinion was there, and it's clear that my favorite season is fall and the reason why. Um, these reasons are going to be like more specific and give examples of these fall activities that I like to do with my family and my dog. So, reason number one, I might start off, and I might use some of the sentence stems over here. So, I'm just going to start off by saying one reason. So, one reason why I enjoy the fall is because one reason I enjoy the fall is because we go apple picking. I know that if some of you ever went apple picking, it's super fun. So, we go apple picking and pick different kinds of apples. So that's one reason and one fall activity I do, okay? So now we're thinking about an example. So, you might be saying, I gave the reason about apple picking, but what can be an example? So your example gives your readers kind of more details or an example of when you did that reason or why you want to support that reason. So when we're thinking about an example, I might say about one time that I went apple picking. So I might say, for example, last year we made two apple pies with all of the apples we got. The pies were super yummy. So that kind of just supports my reason and gives me an example, okay? Some of the other things I just wanted to point out is make sure you're using this Oreo opinion to kind of help you. Make sure you're using the transition words and your sentence starters. And then up here is tools. So if you press tools, you can go into spelling and you can spell check. You can also look at a personal dictionary. So as you were writing, so say for example, if I wrote yummy wrong, okay, this little red line comes up underneath it. So I might say, okay, this is wrong. Let me go to my tools. Let me spell check everything. And then it might come up and say, okay, it's the word yummy. And I'm going to change it. Okay, so make sure you're using those tools as you're writing as well, or as you finish your writing and you want to edit your writing.